I don't remember how this happened. I don't really remember when. It was probably over a glass of wine. And the next day I find myself driving a tractor I can barely control. And after a few years, we have this vineyard, which has been incredibly gratifying. And heartbreaking too. Last year, everything that could go wrong went wrong, and more. This year, I'm going to document the whole thing, from dirt to wine.
The winemaking process starts here, so we try to be pretty environmental here. You know what this is? It's a water tank. You know where the water came from? You'd be surprised. The roof of my house. This is a...
Let me tell you a little something. That's not the biggest vineyard of all time. And it's not the smallest either. It's a lot of work. And I want to show you this season, from start to finish.
Alright, come on, you gorgeous girl. You can do it. First time, come on. Come on. That girl. Everything we're doing here is to get wine. Everything, even this truck.
There's over 300 vines here, 5 varietals. You know how many bottles we should get here? 3, 4, maybe 500 in a good year. You know what we got last year? 68. You know that saying, you don't know what you don't know? That's us.
Look, I'm not a commercial grower. I don't want to be. But I'm going to show you wine. This is our label right here. My wife named it.
So do me a favor, would you? Subscribe. Hit thumbs up. Comment. I'd like to hear from you. And mostly, would you share this video? We're trying to grow. So tune in, and I'll show you a lot of how-tos. How to make a trellis, how to dig a post hole, how to keep your dog from pooping in your vineyard, how to learn how to hate gophers. Thanks for watching. Time for me to grab a glass of wine. Why don't you grab one too? I'll see you next week.